So I'm in the decorating stages, and of course I like to get fancy sometimes. I'm very DIY, and so I made this. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty. This is gonna light up. I'm gonna use this as my light. I'm trying to figure out all kinds of ways to be conservative, have things that are waterproof, and also still have light because it's very dark back here. I have a security light that's on the back of my house, but that's not the light that you're looking for when you're outside, just, you know, relaxing and things like that. So I made that, and I got a few other things. I'll show you. I'm finally done. That's not true. I'm not done. I still want to go buy some mulch and put the rest of the way around here just to give it a nice finished look. And I still have this big patch of dirt in the front of my grass, so I might get just a layover of grass or lay some grass seed and be patient. I don't know, but I'm about to show you the final product. Check this out. Bam. So I want to put the mulch all the way around over there, but it's got the finished front. Step up, everything is centered, even. Got your tiki torches on the side and the lights. Once the sun goes down, those lights will be coming on. I got some fluid for the torches down in the basement, but it's my ice bucket for when we have a few little drinks out here. Citronella candles. That's my little DIY project that I made that I showed you guys. I put some lights in there, some flowers, some rocks, just for aesthetics. But here it is. This is my chill spot. And because it looks so nice, I was thinking that this could actually serve as a meditation spot on a nice morning. If I come out here about 6 o'clock in the morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, it'll be calm, it'll be peaceful. The birds are always chirping. I'm thinking about a few days, instead of going in my meditation room, I might come out. I have a bunch of extra furniture now, so I'm going to give away one of these tables, but I'm going to have a table and chairs on the porch also. So just in case, I don't know why we wouldn't, but just in case we didn't want to go to the little gazebo area and relax, we could chill on the porch. But this is what I'm thinking. I have this umbrella. I don't have any chairs to go with it, but I have 2 tables, right? And I have a bunch of extra chairs. So those 2 other chairs right there, those of course can go in the gazebo. But I was thinking I might, with this, I was thinking I might build a little bar area and then put the umbrella inside of the bar that I create. Just drill out a space for the umbrella to go, and then do a makeshift base if I needed to. I don't know yet. This is it. I still have a lot more to go, but these were the basics. I wanted to get the weeds pulled. I wanted to get my grass cut, rocks set out, and I wanted to do something with those 3 dirt patches that, if you remember, look like 3 graveyards in my backyard. And wound up making a gazebo. So just so you can see what I made, I took this ordinary jar, thought it was real nice, and I put some rocks at the bottom because this wire, if you could tell, is a string of lights. So I really didn't want the box to be shown because it runs on batteries. So I put the rocks at the bottom, a few flowers on top, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like real quick. Finished product: fire pit, hammock, gazebo. Got the tiki torches, lights on the inside, chair set up, ice bucket, ready. It's gonna be a good night. Company, what do you want from me and my scars? Everybody lack confident. Everybody lack confident. How many times my potential was anonymous? How many times the city making me promises? So I promise this. I love myself. The world is a ghetto with big guns and dick inside. I love myself. But they can do what they want whenever they want. I don't mind. I love myself. I'm super proud of the work that I did, and it came out really awesome. You know your own worst critic. And so I see a few little things that I could have changed here and there, but I definitely learned a lot along the way. But overall, I'm super happy. I'm super pleased. And this feels like my own little paradise. Thanks for rocking with me. Backyard remodel, finally done. Peace.